Temu Affiliate Program Nigeria. How to earn easy money without selling anything. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Dropshipping Hustle, the place where we turn clicks into cash and hustle into income, all without the headache. Today, I've got something super valuable for my people in Nigeria who are looking to make real money online. And no, I'm not talking about surveys or Forex ads. I'm talking about the Temu Affiliate Program. Yes, Temu, that online store with ridiculous prices and way too good to be true discounts, now has a program that pays you for referring shoppers to their platform. And the best part? You don't need to own a shop, sell a product, or ship anything. You just share your link and earn, from anywhere in Nigeria. So if you've been looking for a legit, no-cap way to make money from your phone, stick with me, because I'm about to break it all down, step by step. Let's go. First things first, what exactly is the Temu Affiliate Program? It's a system that allows you to earn a commission whenever someone shops on Temu using your unique referral link or promo code. Temu gives you that link for free once you register. Every time someone clicks it, downloads the app, and places an order, boom, you get paid. It doesn't matter if you're a content creator, a student, a business owner, or just someone with WhatsApp groups. As long as people use your link, you can make money. And yes, it works in Nigeria. So how do you join? It's actually very simple. Step 1. Go to affiliate.temu.com. That's their official affiliate portal. It's global, so people from Nigeria can register too. Step 2. Sign up using your email or phone number. If you already have a Temu account, great, just use the same one. Step 3. Fill out your basic info. No need to upload documents or stress. Once you're in, you'll see your affiliate dashboard. That's where you'll find your referral link, track your clicks, and see how much money you've made. That's it. You're officially a Temu affiliate. Now let's talk about how you actually make money. Once you get your link, your job is to share it. That's it. You can share it on WhatsApp status, Facebook posts, Instagram stories, Twitter threads, TikTok videos, YouTube shorts, blog posts, email newsletters, Telegram groups. Wherever you have an audience, that's your money machine. If someone clicks your link, installs the Temu app, and places an order, you earn a commission, usually around 1,000 Nigerian Nairas to 3,500 Nigerian Nairas per new user, depending on the promo. Some campaigns also pay you a percentage of the order amount. So if someone buys items worth 30,000 Nigerian Nairas through your link, you might get 10 to 20% of that sale. Now imagine that happening 10 times a week. But what if you don't have a big audience? No problem. This is where strategy beats size. Start with what you have. A lot of Nigerians are already curious about Temu. They want to know if it's legit, how to shop on it, how to get free items, or how to earn. So create content that answers those questions. You can make a WhatsApp voice note, a short TikTok tutorial, or even a simple Facebook post with screenshots of your Temu earnings. Add your referral link and invite people to try Temu. People love freebies and deals, and Temu gives plenty of both. The more value you give, the more people will click, and the more you earn. Let's talk about getting paid. Temu pays affiliates in real money, but here's the trick. Most payments go through PayPal. So to receive your earnings in Nigeria, you'll need a working PayPal account that can receive funds. If you don't have one yet, set it up. You can even use Payoneer or virtual dollar accounts depending on your setup. Once your balance hits the minimum payout threshold, usually around $20, about 30,000 Nigerian Nairas, you can withdraw it to your PayPal and then send it to your Nigerian bank account through platforms like Chippercash, Gray, or Payoneer. Payments are usually processed within a few days. And once you see that first alert hit, you'll realize this thing is very real. Let me be real with you. The Temu Affiliate Program is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You won't earn millions overnight. But if you stay consistent, share smartly, and talk to the right people, you can easily start making weekly side income from your phone with zero capital. I've seen students use it. Stay-at-home moms, content creators, even regular 9-to-5 workers just posting casually on WhatsApp. The opportunity is wide open, especially in Nigeria, where most people love a good deal and cheap shopping app. So let's wrap it up. The Temu affiliate program works in Nigeria. It's free to join. You get your own link. You share it with others. When they shop, you earn. You cash out through PayPal or Payoneer. And the more you promote, the more you make. It's simple, scalable, and perfect for anyone trying to build digital income in 2024. So tell me in the comments, have you tried the Temu affiliate program? Are you planning to start? And if you've made money from it, what worked best for you? If this video helped you, smash that like button, share it with someone who needs a side hustle, and subscribe to Dropshipping Hustle for more step-by-step guides to help you earn online without losing your mind. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep hustling smart and shopping smarter.